Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kanakari utanga kukuya in the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chingwagara, waka subscribe but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mure Zimbabwe takigirai, nyaya kabuditswa na President Emerson Mnangagwa wakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti ma-elections they are going to happen mugore 2028 wakabuda vachikurudzira bato ZANU PF kuti vaonekwe vachigadzirira for my-elections iwawa mure Zimbabwe. Although the ZANU PF is pushing for postponement in my-elections kuti vaMnangagwa vatonge kusvika 2030, zvokunzi vaMnangagwa vakakurudzira ma-party members avo kuti vaonekwe vachigadzirira for my-elections iwawa. Funga Vashabangu, the leader of the opposition, CCC, Kabuda Shoraya Vachi, the CCC is not ready for my elections, so Arkwana postpone 2030, as Mnangagwa, Kabuda Simbisa, ma ZANU PF members, my supporters, could work the best for the 2028 elections. Nyaya ino yakabuditswa the Pindula News vachitaura ivo vachiti President Emerson Mnangagwa has called on ZANU PF members to strengthen the party's support base ahead of the country's next harmonized general elections. Zimbabwe is scheduled to elect a new president, members of National Assembly and local council representatives in 2028, although ZANU PF is pushing to postpone the elections to 2030. Addressing delegates at the 22nd ZANU PF National People's Conference in Mutare on Friday, Mnangagwa urged party structures to recruit new members from diverse backgrounds. He said, "Focus must be on guaranteeing the growth of all party membership and readiness for the harmonized general elections. Responsive strategies and approaches must be advanced to consolidate the visibility and influence of the women, youth and veterans leagues." Mnangagwa said political mobilization should be a daily responsibility for all party structures and stressed the need to harness members' diverse skills for the greater good of the party. He said, "Let us carry on recruiting and welcoming new members from all walks of life and harness the diverse skills of the membership for the ultimate good of our revolutionary movement." Ndomabuditsirwa katika nyaya mure Zimbabwe. Pindula News tisingaziye kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi kutaura kwatiri kuita Vashabangu is trying by all means kupusha kuti ma-elections awanikwe achipostponwa mure Zimbabwe so that vaMnangagwa vanotonga kusvika 2030. Vachamiso vakabuda vachitaura vachiti he's still in politics but pari zvino hapasati pava ne anything chiri solid chavati vabuditsa mure Zimbabwe. Hapana kumira mushe, hapasi kuzikanwa kunzi what's next for Zimbabwe. The only person who's pushing to remove Mnangagwa is Comrade Geza, Comrade Bombshell mure Zimbabwe is the one ari kupusha kuti Mnangagwa vabve pachigaro. Tofunga pane another audio atira kuti zvinozonzwa yavachamisa vachitaura about the Geza revolution. A lot of people are criticizing Vachamisa. Vachamisa is silent and is not even supporting Vageza movement yavo mure Zimbabwe. Inova nyaya ikachema ma-opposition members mazhinji achiti aiwa Vachamisa vatirasa parinoda kusiya muchingonzwa Vachamisa vachitaura pamusoro penhau yavageza. Muhamadha zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
Clear conscience that deprive 10,000 families of either breadwinners or for whatever case. Yes, it's a struggle, but it's not guaranteed with an outcome. But can be guaranteed with an outcome? I may hazard it.
Yeah. Thank you. You've answered most of my questions and you've cleared my doubts. And now I'm actually focusing on the other direction.
Because for me, my brother, let me tell you, I could do a space tomorrow. I could do a press conference. But I don't want to unnecessarily interfere with the reasoning among Zimbabweans, because I believe that every Zimbabwean has a right to say things. One. Two, I've also wanted to prove a point, to be honest. Good, no. After all, I'm not desperate. Kundoda kutunga mirai, I'm going to impose. Karabana aripo. Ndinomutsigira ini ndichitoti ande bere wakomanda. Just like I was supporting Morgan, just like I want to support Coupe, ndobva ati akasavapo tamutevera, achitoti dadira kati we don't have time. We must execute and prosecute the struggle on our own. Okay.
Yeah.
So, so that's me.
No, I understand. I understand everything, and thank you so much for sharing this with me. You know, ndakunzwisisa, ndakuona mamwe maonero andasingaoni, at least in mandivhura
so vanhu vanogona kuda kunditi chichi chinoita handisanyanya kutaura ndechekuti ndataura pepe one ndangopedza kutaura. Chinhu chikuru ndechekuti vanonyanya kunditeerera nokundinzwa ndataura is not those who support me, it's those who oppose me. Because vakamirira mashoko angu kuti vawane kuti voita sei to survive. So I want to suffocate them with that oxygen. Handidi kuti vase ndofunga sei.
Yes.
That is my approach. That's why when I say akanyara, say akade. No, because they want kwavari want to survive and kutaura kwangu.
Yeah, that is true.
One kuti yeah, ndomwe saka respond ka one kuti no 2017 yakanditicha lesson. Instead kuti munafunza kuti makadzidza lesson ipi. Aramba zvageza. Vana hope vanhu vakatoverengera zvejournalist. Instead kuti ngoripota ndozvaataura. Atoti handichadi zveku akazodai ndiyakambosapota ku 2017. That's not right. That's not on. Just report what I've said. In fact, I'm responding to one person, just like ndataura newe kezvinezvi. It will be unfair. Kundataura newe chinonge chakubroadcastwa nenyika yose. That's unogona kusasungwa, but before God it's not a good thing. Because that's treachery, that's deceit. So can that respond to one? It cannot be used. It's of course a public platform, so I have no problem. But it cannot be a basis. You must call me and say, what do you mean on this? Because we want to do a story. If you're a proper journalist.
Yes. Yeah.
Then I clarify. Or I say, no, I have no comment to make. Then you can write your story. Kada I respond. Tam conductor. I have no comment to make. Why don't you know your story?
No, dapanzwa.
No right to be hate. Where is the journalistic, yardstick and standards?
Ndapanzwa mukoma magona. Ndapanzwa ipapapo. Even vandinotaurawo nawo ndichavaudzawo maonero andenda kuita neposition yandanzwa muchiti mumire ende ndisingatauri kuti hanzi ndo zvamati zvakati ndingotaurawo kuti no mukuru vakamirawo so vari kuonawo kuti isusu sevanhu
No, I appreciate that. Is this your number though?
Yes, this is my number. You can call me, direct call or WhatsApp. It works.
Oh, thank you. And you said it is Tapio and
no, Dwight.